Chess was born in ancient India and evolved through empires, wars, and technology to become the game we love today. It originated in India as chaturanga, a war game featuring infantry, cavalry, elephants, and chariots played on an 8x8 board. The Persians called it shatranj. The Arabs added the term checkmate, which is shahmat in Arabic and means the king is helpless. In Europe, the game of chess evolved. Bishops replaced elephants, queens gained power, and the game sped up. The 15th century marked the solidification of modern chess. The queen became the most dominant piece, mirroring the rise of powerful European queens. In the 19th century, chess became a science. Morphy and Steinitz transformed it from a game of luck into a game of strategy. Chess during the Cold War was a mental battlefield. The 1972 match between Fischer and Spassky became a global spectacle. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue beat Garry Kasparov at chess. This marked the beginning of the digital age of chess. Today, chess thrives online. It is streamed, studied, and played by millions. It's a timeless game with infinite moves. What is your favorite chess moment? Share it in the comments.